Welcome to 131 Congaree Court. This is the CALI Floorplan, 1,774 square feet, 2-car garage. Now let's take a walk inside. All right, here we are on the CALI Floorplan, 131 Congaree Court. As you walk in, you have a nice coat closet, big wide foyer, large guest bedroom, the blinds are included. Nice view. If it wasn't cloudy, you would see the nice sunset. Full bath. Second guest bedroom, nearly identical in size. In the hallway, you have a large linen closet. Here's a large laundry room. The 2-car garage. Water heater. Come in through the garage. Again, your laundry room. Large closet. And here would be the 3rd bedroom. Again, a nice space. Now we enter into the kitchen and the living dining area. Big, beautiful kitchen with gray cabinets. Huge pantry. Shelves are included. Microwave, range, and stainless dishwasher. Also comes with a garbage disposal under the sink. Refrigerator goes right there. More cabinet space. I'm not sure what that is, but we're gonna move it out of here. So you have a covered porch back here. Great place for the warm months or the cool months. Looking back over the living area, nice island. You could put stools right there. Big family room. Again, looking down the hallway. This is a very large open space to entertain or just gather with your friends. Here is a large primary bedroom. This is the largest bedroom. And check out this bathroom. Double vanities, double mirrors, big walk-in shower. There's a great closet right there. And a giant walk-in closet. And of course, the door to the water closet. It's always good to have. All right, folks. So this is the CALI Floorplan. This is actually the last CALI that we have left. Take a look out here, the backyard. All right. Walking out.